Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone, today is a nail art haul video. Yes, I'm going to show you some of my nail art supplies I have bought in the recent times. So let's get started. First up is this amazing white glitter powder, and this retails for about 196 Indian rupees. And trust me, this is one beautiful glitter and I love this so much. Here is how it looks. You just need to sprinkle it over the wet nail paint. It glitters amazingly, and the only thing I don't like about this is its quantity. It's very less for 200 rupees. Also, you've got different colors in this as well. Do try it if you want. Next up is this set of Mirror Chrome Effect 6 glitter powders and a set of brushes. And this cost for about 5.99, but I got it for rupees 4.30. And most of them look all white in color, but they are not. You can clearly see the different shades in the picture above. There is a greenish, bluish and other colors as well. So let's see how this turns out when I try it. And if you watch my videos regularly, you do know that I feature one of your comment in my video. So this time I picked two of you from my last video, DIY Ganapati Mandap. So thank you Navya and Gauravi Maheshwari for supporting me so much. Lots of love to you guys. And if you do want to get featured in my next video, all you have to do is comment down below and I will pick one of you in my next video. And this is how the brushes look. They're tiny and soft, very nice to brush up your fingers. Well, now let's go to the huge nail polish haul now. I didn't get all of them online as few of them are from the local store. First one is a clear coat nail polish from the brand called VOV or maybe Wow. I really like their brand and I'm quite using few of them. And I love this Knockstone 249 shade. It's very decent. And they cost for about 80 each, I guess. And here comes my favorite pink champagne shade from Maybelline's brand All That Glitters. I totally love it and this costs for about 120 rupees. We also have a silver color over here. You can see how it looks on my nails. And this is a gold color. And the last one from Maybelline is a gold top coat nail polish. I totally love Maybelline's nail glitter collection. And if you did use any of the tools I am showing in the video, do comment down below and share your reviews. I will be really happy to know about it. And the last three are from Ellie's Nail Pops. They cost for about 50 rupees each and I got them from a local store. They're very affordable and I love the different shades they provide. Next up is the nail remover wipes. I personally prefer nail wipes rather than liquid nail removers. This one is my current favorite right now. It's a nail polish remover wipes from ADS brand. I totally love the smell and they have different flavors. I use the Fruit Natural Armor one and I'm really happy with it. This costs for about 49 rupees and has 32 pieces in it. Well, next up is this pack of nail art glitter. They cost for about 75 rupees and I totally love them. They look so cute in a tiny bottle and are very glittery. But yes, in a very tiny amounts, of course. And my favorite one is the pink glitter. Here comes the nail stamping kit. This is all you get. Stamping plates, nail polishes, few glitter powders, a stamper and a scraper. You can see the cost over here, but I bought this for about 700 rupees. Well, firstly, there are 3 basic nail polishes, black, red and gold. You can also use normal nail paints for stamping. And let's talk about the glitters. There are very basic glitters, red, silver, gold and dark pink. They all look like craft glitters to me, but not that bad as you can get for the whole package. This is how the stamper looks. You just need to run over your finger like this. You can clearly see your design through the top. Also, you should primer your stamp before you use it. This small tiny thing is a scraper and that's how you use it on the plate. Here comes the stamping plates. You get 5 of them in total. And this one is my favorite plate. I love all the designs and all the plates have unique and beautiful designs. It's a definite kit to have if you love doing nail art but you're not so good, and this is perfect way to glam up your nails. You don't have to be professional, but all you need is patience. If you want to buy it, there's a link in the description box. Well, I have noticed that these nail polishes are slightly more runny than the normal ones. Also, for some reason the black paint really stinks than the other two, but just works fine. And guys, there is a review and tutorial about the stamping kit, so do watch it to know more about it. I am sure you will love it. So click the I button above or click the link below in the description box. Lastly, in the nail art toolkit, we got this nail brush set, nail pen set, French nail tip guides and few tapes. I got all of them as a set for about 330 rupees. This is how the brushes look like. They are of fine quality. I haven't used much yet, and I guess few of them are repetitive in the set. You also have a dotting tool in the brush set as well. And this is for what I actually got this set, for the nail art dotting tools. They look so good and are perfect for doing some good designs on your nails. You get 5 pens with total 10 dotting tips, 2 on each side in different sizes. This is the tip guide sticker. I'm really excited to use them, so I hope it works good. Lastly, we have the tips. Well, I didn't think they will be this tiny, and also they are very thin. Well, I just wish the tapes weren't so thin, but yeah, they're just fine. So that's it guys for today. I hope you enjoyed this nail art tool haul. And if you did, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button. And also if you hadn't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and be a part of our family. So until then, meet you in my next video. Happy crafting!